Hey everyone, Dan here at the Opti-Clean Training Center, and today this product is designed for you guys that like to take your cars to the car events or out on the road and you want to make sure it always looks good. This product is the Optimum Opti-Clean. This is a waterless wash product. This product is great because it has a lot more polymers in it, a lot more capability of emulsifying, encapsulating, and leaving lubricity so you can protect your vehicle from the dirt and the grime as you safely wipe it off the surface without needing to carry a bunch of water. So yes, this product is designed to make sure that you have a product with you that's safe to remove the pesky fingerprints of everyone touching your car because it looks so good. Or the bird saying, let me add a little something to that. And you go, no, I don't want that. This product is gonna help you clean that safely. So this product is this simple. You spray it on the surface liberally, you make sure you got enough there, you wipe it up, and you're done. That is it. So thanks guys, thanks for stopping by, have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.